Are you familiar with the concept of using castor oil in your belly button? While it might seem unconventional, many people swear by this ancient technique. Could it simply be a placebo effect, or does it actually offer tangible benefits? Join us today as we explore the unexpected advantages of this unconventional health practice, a wisdom passed down from our forebears, bound to leave you astonished. But first, let's delve into the marvel that is the belly button. Did you know that during your time in the womb, your belly button served as a direct conduit to your mother via the umbilical cord? Its primary function was to ferry vital nutrients for your growth. Astonishingly, even in adulthood, that umbilical vein persists, continuing its role in nutrient absorption. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, or beyond, your belly button remains an unassuming gateway to your body's inner workings. Now, what's the deal with castor oil? Well, it's packed with monounsaturated fatty acids, a composition believed by scientists to possess remarkable properties. Reducing inflammation, inhibiting the proliferation of viruses and fungus, and alleviating pain. While many associate castor oil primarily with its laxative effects, leading to uncomfortable bathroom experiences, its potential extends far beyond that. When applied to the belly button, it seems to unveil a myriad of astonishing benefits. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating subject. First benefit: improved digestion and weight loss. Castor oil can really help with constipation by calming down inflammation in your stomach. When you start going to the bathroom regularly again, you might find that you feel hungry when you're supposed to and full when you should be. This makes you wonder, could absorbing nutrients better make it easier to lose weight? It's not a magic fix, but it might help your body work better with a healthy diet and lifestyle. Something interesting to think about. Second benefit: stress-anxiety relief. On tough days when stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline are running rampant in your mind, it's tempting to turn to unhealthy habits for comfort. However, consider this: instead of resorting to those habits, simply massaging some castor oil into your belly button can bring about an instant sense of calm. Whether it's due to a placebo effect or not, what truly counts is that it works. You might notice improvements in how you feel, how you behave, and even in your relationships. It's quite remarkable. Third benefit: deeper sleep. If you're someone who struggles with being a light sleeper and becomes irritable when you don't get enough rest, you likely understand the true value of a good night's sleep. Insufficient sleep can leave you feeling achy, foggy-brained, and seriously fatigued, which is no fun at all. That's why establishing a bedtime routine that includes applying a few drops of castor oil to your belly button can be a game changer. It helps to relax both your body and mind, allowing you to drift off into a deep, rejuvenating sleep. And let me tell you, the difference it makes in your days is remarkable. Now, you're probably thinking, I've got to give this a try. But before you rush off to the store and grab any old bottle of castor oil, let's talk about how to choose a high-quality one. Here's a guide on what to consider. Look for organic castor oil from a trusted company that avoids using harmful chemicals or fertilizers. Ensure it's hexane-free, meaning no toxic solvents or pesticides were involved in the extraction process. While there's debate over this point, some prefer castor oil packaged in glass bottles due to concerns about plastic. However, both glass and plastic options are available. If you can afford it and it meets the other criteria, go for a glass bottle. However, it's worth noting that plastics have improved in terms of safety over time. Now, let's delve into a topic often overlooked in discussions about castor oil: the detox reaction. Recall the potent anti-inflammatory and purifying properties we highlighted earlier? These qualities can sometimes stimulate the release of toxins and excess hormones in your body at a pace that may overwhelm its natural processes. If you're new to using castor oil, have taken a prolonged hiatus from it, or lead a lifestyle that may not be optimal for health, you might encounter initial discomfort. Symptoms like headaches, nausea, irritability, or even skin breakouts could arise. While not everyone experiences these reactions, it's essential to acknowledge their potential occurrence. The remedy? Proceed with caution. Begin with just a drop or two and gradually increase as your body adjusts. Prioritize supporting your body's detoxification process by staying well hydrated, prioritizing rest, and nourishing yourself with wholesome, unprocessed foods. The benefits that castor oil offers are indeed worthwhile, but there's no need to hurry. Remember, it's the steady and gradual approach that triumphs in the end. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the captivating realm of belly button oiling with castor oil, where ancient wisdom meets modern-day wellness practices. From improved digestion and sleep to reduced stress and anxiety, this ancient Ayurvedic practice has endured through the ages. Our ancestors were certainly onto something. Whether it's the anti-inflammatory properties of fatty acids, the stimulation of the lymphatic system, or perhaps even a placebo effect, many individuals swear by its effectiveness. And if it aids in shedding extra weight more effortlessly, well, that's an added bonus. Just remember to select a high-quality oil and take it slow, especially if you're new to it. Listen to your body and treat it with kindness and care, because you deserve to feel your best. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried applying castor oil to your belly button? What benefits did you experience? If not, what aspect of this discussion sparked your curiosity the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. And if you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. You never know who might benefit from it today. Thank you for watching. Wishing you vibrant health and happiness. Until next time.